Have you seen these tool organizers all over TikTok? They look decent, but are they actually worth the money? Or are they just another gimmick TikTok shop thing? So today I'm gonna break it down, the good, the bad, the ugly, and whether or not you should spend your money on something like this. Before we get going into this, make sure you smash that subscribe button if you like doing cool things, motorcycles and stuff. Let's be friends. Let's get to the video.
In the case of nuclear or radiological fallout,
so out of the box, this thing seems decent. I mean, it's made with steel. It's not obviously like 1/4 inch or nothing like that, but seems legit. The welds on it aren't bad. Most of it's tacked together. That's the only downfall, I would say. But I don't know, not bad, not bad. Material's decent. You're gonna get an 8-plug power strip with it. These are your sidewalls. A couple options for storage for screwdrivers and stuff. Then you do have your full kit that you can throw together, and it got hooks and all that good stuff. Now the instructions, they're all right if you use instructions. And I promise you I'm gonna use instructions putting this together, okay? Or the video is gonna be like 7 hours long. Just kidding. And another thing, you might get confused. The back side pieces here, those are obviously where you're gonna mount it to the wall. Yeah, so you're gonna have to build it first, then hang it. You can do it. I'm gonna do it. Let's do it. Wow, I don't know how many of these I have. Comment below what's your guesstimate of how many you got. They come with all those things. It's cool, I'm not complaining, but. All right, so I already found my stud. If you obviously want to get your stuff in the wall before you hang it up, I'll build it and try to find out where it lines up at. You might as well just do it now. Yes, I'm using a yardstick. Why not? It won't bend on me. Judge me. So 32 inches straight across. I don't have a level, but I got specialized.
I'm proud of you, you know that.
I hate putting
I hope you do.
little anchors in these things. Then you're gonna go 10 inches down from that point for example. Tell me, how many of y'all use these yardsticks? Because I think they come in handy. Then that's where you hang it. Let's put some bolts in there. Some duct tape. Zip ties, maybe zip ties. I could do that. So I got studs behind all my holes, so I don't have to put an anchor or none of that bull crap in. Bull crap. You know what? It's a straight bull crap. Now, obviously, you don't want to go all the way in because you got to be able to hang it, right? Yep. And what are the chances when I go to hang this up, it's wrong? Or no, I'm not wrong. That yardstick's is off. It's not. It's old. Ta-da! That's easy. Step 1, it's done. I made a big mess. Give me a second to clean this up.
A few moments later.
All right. Yeah, it's pretty simple. You're gonna get your pieces that flip open and close. There's 3 of them. Take the first one, set it down, then you can get your side pieces. Left side, you want the little hole on the bottom. And obviously that's how it's gonna mount on the wall. And then the opposite on the other side. Now on the bottoms of your, I don't know if that was clear or not, but it's threaded ends here. So you got your bolts. Pretty common sense stuff here, guys. Pretty easy. I mean, you could use a drill. I say I'm not going to, but give me like 10 seconds here. And same thing on the other side. Just moved down here to Florida, and me and my wife are big foodies. I know this isn't related to motorcycles, but I know there's other guys in here like to eat. Tell me if you know the area, what's your favorite restaurant down in this area? Like Ormond, New Smyrna, all of them. We've checked out quite a few places, and there's a lot of good food around here, especially seafood, because back in Indiana where I came from, you know, there was no such thing as fresh seafood. You can get lake fish all day long, but not the good stuff. Once you got that one out, all you're gonna do, same thing, you're gonna open it up. Make sure when you're putting them in, use common sense. I know some of you got that, and I know I hope. Jesus. You good? That was weird. Yeah. Yeah, turn your drill down. Don't be like me. Second one, and then the next one. Kind of makes sense, right? Take your last one, same thing. So now that this is together, you gotta keep in mind and remember, you gotta leave the bottom space for your rack that you're actually gonna hang the drills on. So yeah, they mount, obviously, pretty common sense. You want the lip up, and then on the sides, you got your threads, and then you're just gonna throw them together. Easy peasy. Then you're gonna have this bracket, you're gonna throw it down here, and that will tie the braces together. Ta-da! Just like that, this thing is thrown together. Basically, still got my power strips and the things that hang off the side. But that's how you're gonna get the basic structure of how you're gonna do it. With it, I didn't even realize it until a second ago. You got these mounting holes here, then they give you these. So obviously you can go up underneath and hold this power strip in place, which is pretty cool. I like that. So first off, this thing does seem decent. You know, obviously you're not gonna be setting transmissions down on it and whatever else, but I mean, the structure itself, it seems pretty sturdy. Enough to hold your drills and some tools and maybe some oil or something. I don't know, whatever you need, but yeah, it ain't bad. Let's get it thrown up on the wall now. So if my calculations were right, you should be able to set this up and hang it down on these holes. With a little persuasion, she popped right in. But guys, this honestly, yeah, you got a little bit of movement because of the way these things are hinged. But like I said it like 20 times, you're not gonna be hanging heavy stuff on here. So let's go ahead, fill this up as much as we can, see what kind of organization we can get. I'm still unpacking my garage, so I don't have all my stuff out yet, but let's see what we can do. So here's what I really like. I can hang up my drills, my impacts, my heat gun, just random odds and end things that you normally wouldn't have hung up. No more having to pile it all on the workbench that I don't have yet, my fold out table. The shelves are gonna be able to fit anything you can hang. You got hooks that you can go over on the side here and hang your brushes up. And the side over here with the pegboard, this thing's perfect for just odds and ends. I mean, I got punches, I got a snap ring pliers that you normally wouldn't have out. But if you need it, it's gonna be right there in front of you. And these little things are stuff that usually gets thrown in the toolbox you forget you even have. Everything has a home. Everything has a place where it can go. So when I need a tool, like I said, just grab it and I'm done. Number two, it actually saves space. Yes, it's up on the wall, but it's not down in your workspace, you know, taking up room, whether it's on a bench and things like that. It's up on the wall. And obviously that keeps you from getting cluttered. And number three, it looks professional, guys. It's not just a pile of tools in the corner. You know, you got a buddy, you go to his garage and it's everywhere. I get it, it happens. But this thing can help you actually keep it organized, keep it looking clean, and have everything where you need it. Now, the bad. This thing's not perfect, obviously. You gotta drill into the walls. If you can't get a stud, you gotta put the anchors in. Yes, obviously if you hang it up, you're gonna have to hang it. That's just kind of one of the little downfalls. Now, if you have too much of a load on it, I'm sure that you're gonna get some sagging on these shelves, so just be careful how much weight you actually put on it. But honestly, for what you get and the price that you pay for this thing, it might feel a little steep to some people. You might be able to build like a DIY version a little bit cheaper from home with wood or whatever, but this thing looks clean. So here's my verdict, guys. If you want a cleaner shop and you're just tired of the clutter, this thing actually is pretty legit. And I think it's kind of worth it. If you dig this thing, guys, I dropped a link below in my TikTok shop. Make sure you guys go and check it out. Get yourself one. They got a few different options for colors and kind of customize it and make it fit your garage. Hit that like button if this helped you out, and make sure you guys subscribe. 87% of my loyal viewers aren't even following me or subscribed to me. Come on, let's get it. Hit that subscribe button. Garage builds, motorcycle content, honest reviews on things, events, all the cool stuff. Thank you for coming to hang out at Ride It Rot. And let me know in the comments, would you buy one of these things? I like it. So let's talk about the good about this thing. So number one, it makes the shop look cleaner. you got things up on the wall, it's kind of, you know, up and out of the way. And when you're working on a project, you can just reach over, grab what you need. And then for me, mentally putting it away, it's gonna be a lot easier to put away.